जों दिनै हाय त्रिपुरानि जेनेरेल नलेज नायलायजावनाय सिगाङाव 15 जर नायखा दिनै 16 सिम हाय तेसा नेक्स्ट पार्ट नायलायजावनाय ओंके पुजन नायदे who established the Tripureshwari temple at Udaipur सबमान जेमानाय कमेंट खादे so answer Maharaja Donnamanikko 17 number which was the first newspaper published from Agartala answer Robi 18 number trial run of the first train to Agartala took place on answer 29 June 2008 19 number Queen Tripura Sundari was the wife of king answer Kirtidar 20 number Tripura era state from answer 590 AD in which year did Dashradev first become the chief minister of Tripura answer 1993 22 number Kokborok language day is observed in Tripura on answer 19 January 23 number when was the Tribal Research Institute established in Tripura answer 1970 24 number in which year was the concept of tribal subplan adopted in Tripura so answer 1974 25 number Tripura 6th schedule bill was passed by the Lok Sabha in the year so answer 1984 origin of river Gumti of Tripura is so answer Bormora range 27 number who was the famous for the title Rajarshi given by Rabindranath Tagore so answer Gobindo Manikko 28 number Kamla Sagar lake was excavated so answer Maharaja Donnamanikko who was the first Olympian from Tripura so answer Saraswati Day the first tea garden of Tripura is Tripura puila cha bagan kha so answer Hirasera ओंका तीन बगा संनो तैसे नेक्स्ट पार्ट हानि हाय तैसे फाइल जावनाय ओंका संनो चितो जतनो हामबाय।